we're inside Concord Hospital. We just got out of the overly small disabled bathroom. On the right here is where the pharmacy is. So you need medication, that's where we would go to. There's a convenience store on the one side. Too small. This is new. Okay, so this is a new section of the hospital. Let's have a look down here. This is the one new section of the hospital. Coffee shop. Might get some breakfast here in a minute. And the artwork on the wall. Piano of Love. Oh, this is all brand new, this area. This is the hospital I normally used to go to, but my doctor retired. So today we're having a procedure done by a new doctor. Okay. Oh, this is our bathroom. Now that's what a bathroom meant to be. Size of that. Not like the other small one that I was in. Over the back of there, let's zoom in. Heliport. So that's where they fly in the emergencies. There they go. Oh, okay, so we came in the old entrance and now we're actually witnessing the new section of the hospital. Oh, okay. It's the atrium espresso. Morning. Let's go for a wheelchair race. Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Yeah. We've still got stay COVID safe signs up. We're going to go back outside. Morning. come out later, we'll go and have another look around that side. There is a new building on the other side of the hospital, opposite. I want to go check to see if that is also a part of the hospital. I just had to find a bathroom first. Morning. What are you doing? Fuckhead. Didn't even look. Oh, that's quite clear as well. D-pad almost run me over. Sorry, thank you. So this new building I was talking about is a car park. Let's go and have a look. Morning. Oh, look at these car parking meters. Solar panel. Bus stop for staff, I assume.